How to download Counter-Strike 1.6 on your Windows computer. So yeah, let's start the video. First, open your browser. I'm using Chrome, and from the search for Steam, and you will find the first result. Tap here, and here now install Steam, and again install Steam. So let's install Steam in our device. Alright, so this is the setup we have just downloaded. Double click here and you will find this installation setup. Next, choose your language. Next, choose your destination, and then install the Steam. Right, so after you install Steam, this is the Steam application. Double click here. First time if you open Steam, you will have to create a Steam account. Right, I have already created it. So if you open the Steam for the first time, you will have to create a Steam account. Alright, so now from when you come to the Steam account, you will find this library store. So we have to visit store where we can get the game. Right, now from the search here, search Counter-Strike, and then you will find this. Alright, there won't be 1.6, but this is the game. Alright, I will show you how this is the game. So when you press Counter-Strike, as you can see, this is the one. In the Steam app there is no 1.6 mentioned, but this is the 1.6 version. Alright, there is no name, but trust me, this is the one you are looking for. So from the below there will be so much options. Just click this condition 0. So this condition 0 is also known as 1.6 Counter-Strike. So from here, just tap add to cart. Now view my cart. Now here you have to pay the game. Alright, just pay the game. Use your debit card, credit card, pay the game. So after you have completed your payment, your game will be reflected in your library. Just choose your game, and then there will be install button. Choose the install button, and your game will be installed. So yeah, hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.